Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hi guys, so here we're gonna show this topic is about how to update WhatsApp with the dark mode feature, which has been just rolled out recently in the Play Store. It's also available on the WhatsApp official site, which is WhatsApp. If you Google it on the net, you will get it. So I'm just gonna explain you how to install it and how to set to the WhatsApp dark mode settings theme. So since I am not on Android 10, I won't get the update by default, which would be the case on most of the people as well. But in case you're more than Android 10 version, then it should be auto downloadable. I mean, it should be auto updated to your systems. So let's start the process. So first I need to okay, and since it's not updated, I'll just search for WhatsApp here, and you can see since it's already installed in my system, it is not having download or open. It's just having an update option. So once I do an update, it will download all the stuff. Alright guys, once the update is completed, what you have to do is open the WhatsApp and go on the left side of the screen where you have the three dots. You go to the settings and then you choose the chats option out of this. So in the chat option, you will find the theme, the first screen. The first row, in fact, that is the themes, which it shows the system default. What you have to do is all go there, click on set, and then select the dark option. So the dark option is the one which is the newly rolled out feature from WhatsApp. When you choose that and just say okay, it will change the entire theme as dark, which is like a sort of a classic look, which I like personally. So this is what we had to show in this video. Do like, share and subscribe in case you are interested in more such tech videos and even some Excel and some other videos which I know of. I'll try to share my knowledge on that. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.